Welcome to Willz Keeps On Rolling. Follow me while we do some stuff I know nothing about. So the window over here had this big metal covering it. So I took that off and we put a folded piece of plastic. Brought a whole lot of light in. It's great. So now I'm going to try and make the toilet a little bit more appealing. I'm going to put a bit of jib board around the back of it here and put a bit of lino underneath. Just make it look a bit tidier. Let's go! So yep, after all this drama with this vanity unit and that basin just not fitting in there because somebody didn't measure correctly, I thought it was going to be too high because I didn't have the plumbing sort of stuff that was going to reach the drain, but I found a little remedy for that, so I'm happy. Going to keep it at height. We've got some strips of lino. We're going to put those around the toilet area here, so that's going to be the next job. We also got some cool little perspex window replacement type deals, so that's working for that. The other ones are coming. I might just do what I did on that other window there and staple up some clear plastic for now. But yeah, paint in behind the toilet here when I get down to the shops. But yeah, it's looking good. Looking good.